All right, so today I'm going to show you some really cool features of this Saker 42-piece magnetic screwdriver. So first of all these bits are labeled so you can know exactly what you need. There's 2-inch and then there's 1-inch down there. And then here's the ratchet driver, and you can use this in so many different ways. You can use this as a long handle. You can take the sides off and it can be like a short-handled screwdriver ratchet, and then you can actually like make it long. You can take the sides off of it and you can make it really, really long to get hard to reach places. So I think this might be the coolest feature of all. It has Allen wrench bits that you can put in there, because I hate using Allen wrenches because you can only turn them like halfway and then you got to put it back in and then turn it halfway and put it back in. So this is really cool for that. Now I've got the 2-inch screwdriver bit, the Phillips head screwdriver bit here, and just make sure you're flipping that little switch that I showed you from left to right. To the left it unscrews it, and then to the right it screws it in. And then check this out. So if you are using this to screw in something like into a hole or something and you lose your screw, it has a magnetic thing and it can just find that screw for you. So this travel case is really handy. It all packs up into one tiny little box, and then you can just throw it into your purse and take it to where you need it. I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tools from Stacy DIY.